as we reflect, reinforce, reposition Dual TVET for 2026 and beyond, let us use this forum to consolidate the achievements that we have made, to address challenges that may have been experienced, to reaffirm our collective commitment to empower the youth.
Today we are not just discussing training, we are discussing how Kenya prepares its workforce for real jobs, real industries, and a changing economy.
Our mission is to make dual training bigger, to make it beautiful, and to make it better.
TVET is our way of life. We are in TVET by choice. Let us make TVET real, and let us ensure that we promote our TVET.
Dual training. It is demand-driven, not supply-driven. And in Mount Kenya, we have 20. That is 6 national polytechnics. We have 5 technical training institutes and 9 TVCs.
How can we continue to carry on the collaboration?
As we take on more students, we are coming up with programs in our company, especially an innovative department, whereby we can tap. These young minds are very creative.
I had an opportunity to gain industry experience at a 5-star hotel. My journey has taught me value of hard work, discipline, and strengthened my professionalism.
Dual training, it's very good because you get connections to find people where you can get job opportunities, and also you get more understanding on the theory things.
We need trainees of both gender in place, and we can only be able to work together with them if we accommodate them. At the same time, we need even PWDs in the spirit of promoting that inclusion so that we can be able to work as a team and to ensure that there is no one who is being disadvantaged due to gender or as a result of the status that he or she is in.
The Dual TVET approach represents more than a training model. It is a bridge between education and employment, between learning and practice, between ambition and opportunity. Tonight is not only a moment of appreciation, but also a moment of reflection and confidence in the future we are building together.